The baseball season is winding down, which means it's a great time to take a refresher course in both math and magic. And I'm not talking about this kind of magic right here. There's less than 3 weeks remaining in the Alaska Baseball League season, and under a month, a champion will be crowned, so it's a good time to start thinking about that magic number. Now, you don't need to worry about these cards. Well, actually, maybe this one. Remember this. Remember your card. Magic number essentially means the number of games you have to win or your opponent has to lose for you to achieve your goal. So before we really get into the weeds of that, let's think about how to calculate it. Well, there's 3 equations that we need to worry about. Now, they're all very simple. First, we take the number of games your league plays. In the ABL, it's 40. All you do is add 1. So 40 plus 1. That gives us 41. The second equation is a little bit more complicated than that. So in the ABL, 4 of the 5 teams make the playoffs. That means you only need to be better than the last place team to have a spot in the postseason. Right now, that last place team is the Peninsula Oilers. The Miners are in second, right behind those Anchorage Bucks. They're not worrying about first place right now. The only worry at the moment is, can you make the playoffs? With 16 games to go, that is approaching more fast than you might think. So, you take your number of wins, 13, and your opponent's total losses. For the Oilers, that's also 13. So you add them together. 13 plus 13 equals 26. And that sets us up beautifully for the last equation. You just subtract that second value from the first. So you take away 26 from 41. 41 minus 26 equals 15. And there you have it. That's your magic number. But let's think about what that really means. Matthew needs to win 15 games. The Oilers need to lose 15 games. Is there some combination of that? If I'm standing on second base, my goal is to get to home. That means I need to advance 2 bases to score that run. I could win those 2 bases. I could steal third. My teammate could drive me in. The opponent, the defense, could lose those 2 bases. Maybe the first baseman muffs up an easy ground ball. Maybe the pitcher balks me home. Doesn't really matter. It could be a combination of the 2. I could steal third, and the pitcher could score me on a balk. Again, it doesn't matter how I get to 2 as long as I do. It doesn't matter how the Miners get to 15 as long as they do. They could win 15 games. The Oilers could lose 15 games. There could be something in between as long as Matsu gets to that 15 number. And it might seem a long way off, but the end of the season is approaching faster than you'd think. Time is ticking. Is this your card?